Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Okay, आज sunny है थोड़ा सा, bit warmer than yesterday. कल बहुत ठंडी थी. Yesterday it was very cold. और आज थोड़ी धूप निकली है, तो we are feeling good feeling आ रही है हमारी. And students, we had this was the last lesson which we were studying. Water pollution. हम लोगों ने water pollution complete कर लिया था. Studies हमारा complete थे. We were doing question answers. Rather, we were doing the something to know. हम लोग something to know कर रहे थे. और we had done ABC. यानी हमारे fill in the blanks, MCQs, and as the following, it was all done. Today we were supposed to do the question answer section. Boys and girls, जिनके भी hand raised है वो lower कर लें hands ताकि confusion ना हो while asking the questions. जिनके भी hand raised है lower your hands so that when I ask the question, जब मैं question पूछूं आपसे तो ये जवाब नहीं आया मैम मैंने तो पहले वाले में आंसर के लिए क्वेश्चन हाथ रेज किया था, ठीक है ना? ओके, चित्रांश and Sanjana and Samiksha, lower your hands. Lower your hands, please. Good, better. Now see. This was the lesson, last lesson जो हम लोग कर रहे थे. We had done it and we'll do the question answer section. After this, you will be given the question revision. Revision will be done from lesson 1 to lesson 10. आपके main stress आपके half yearly के बाद के होपे होने चाहिए. half yearly के पहले को भी आपको पढ़ना तो जरूर है because questions will come from that section also. तो कोई भी जिनका भी अभी भी incomplete है कुछ lessons, तो make it very much clear कि आप उसको complete करें as early as possible. जितना जल्दी complete कर ले because उसका को learn करने का भी काम रहेगा, है ना? Okay, so I'm sharing my screen with you people. Screen share करते हैं और here goes the book. Meanwhile, सारे बच्चों से मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप एक दिन हम जो रिवीजन शुरू करेंगे, we'll do the revision like this. We'll do all the something to know one day. We'll do all the fill in the blanks one day, and we'll do all the D sections one day. Okay, so that you'll be all the those small questions shall be learned by you. Okay, somebody is raising hand. बच्चे अभी hand raise नहीं करो, पहले हम question शुरू कर दें. Okay. So these sections, book आपके पास खुले हैं. You all are having the book with you. First question. We had done the MCQ. मुझे थोड़ा सा गाइड करेगा उत्सव राठौर. आप unmuted रहेंगे बच्चे मेरे साथ. And you will tell me कि whether I'm audible to you or not. आप मुझे बताएंगे क्या मैं audible हूँ? उत्सव, क्या मेरी आवाज आपको आ रही है?
You are audible.
My voice is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. हम लोगों ने ABCD से C कर लिया है ना? MCQ तक हो चुका है? MCQ तक हो चुका है?
MCQ मैम हो गया है मैम. MCQ तक.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll start the question answer. आप नहीं बोलेंगे, you'll keep yourself muted. जब मैं बोलूंगी तब आप बोलेंगे, okay? Otherwise आप unmuted रहे मेरे साथ, ठीक है? First question: name any two material which can make the rainwater impure. आप नहीं बोलेंगे. Raise your hand those who know this answer. Any two material which can make the rainwater impure. शिक्षा आप क्लास में हैं बहुत दिनों के बाद. You give this answer. शिक्षा आंसर दो. Any two material which makes the rainwater impure. Unmute करेंगी. Unmute yourself and give this answer. Two material which make the rainwater impure. शिक्षा ने अनम्यूट नहीं किया अपने आप को. मुझे यहाँ चित्रांश दिख रहा है. चित्रांश बोलो बेटा. You'll be getting the question answers. Don't worry. आपको ये क्वेश्चन मिल जाएंगे. चित्रांश, name two material which make the rainwater impure. जल्दी अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को. चित्रांश, unmute yourself. चित्रांश श्रीवास्तवा, unmute yourself.
अनम्यूट हो गए।
बोलो बेटा।
हाँ बोलो।
Two materials which make the rain water impure. दो चीजें तो रेन वाटर को impure करती है, क्या है वो दो चीजें? Again you muted yourself. This is not done. ऐसे नहीं चलता है. उज्जवल बोलिए. उज्जवल बोलिए.
Yes.
What are the
Two material that can rainwater impure is dust and dirt.
Okay, it can be dust, it can be smoke, it can be dirt. These are the materials which make the rain water impure. सारे बच्चों से मेरे एक शिकायत है. When you are being unmuted, आपको unmute करने की permission दी जा रही है, आप unmute नहीं करते. And you start looking here and there. This is a very bad practice. इसको थोड़ा change करेंगे आप लोग. Okay? I cannot keep you unmuted, all of you. सारे बच्चों को unmute नहीं कर सकती. तो जब मैं permission दूँ तो जरूर unmute हो जाए आप. Next question. Name any two human activities which can cause water pollution. तो कोई भी दो human activities. आपको मैंने बहुत सारी human activities बताए हैं. कोई दो human activities which make the water which causes air water pollution. आप आराध्या वर्मा, आप unmuted हैं, मेरे साथ बताइए. आराध्या वर्मा, बोलिए. Any two human activities which can cause water pollution. See, Aradhya Verma is not unmuting herself. Aradhya Verma, unmute करेंगे अपने आप को. चलो, आराध्या 4A unmute करो. कोई भी दो human activity जो कि causes water pollution. Any two human activities. क्या है? If you don't know the answer, say, ma'am, I don't know the answer.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Grishan Molly, give this answer. Two human activities which causes water pollution.
The two human activities which causes water pollution are one bathing their cattle in river, washing their clothes in river.
Okay, two human activities, two very common human activity which causes water pollution are क्या है? Taking bath in rain, in river. पहले तो बात नहाना. And second is giving bath to the cattle, washing clothes. These are all the human activities which causes water pollution. Absolutely right, Grishan Molly. Unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Sanjana Kumari. Sanjana, unmute karo. Sanjana Kumari, unmute yourself. Okay, she is not listening to me. Navya Rajput, unmute karo. Which two pollutants are often dumped by factories into the rivers? कौन से दो pollutants हैं जो कि dump किए जाते हैं factories के द्वारा in rivers? Which two pollutants? बोलो. संजना बोलो. बोल संजना. Which two pollutants? बोलिए. Sanjana, you're unmuted. You can give this answer. Sanjana, you want to give the answer or should I meet you? Okay, there is some problem. She is not able to answer the question. Who will answer this question? Raise your hand. Those who can answer this question. Which two pollutants are often dumped by rivers? 7 participants. Okay. Dumped by factories into the river. Samiksha, give this answer. Samiksha, give this answer. Unmute karo. Samiksha, unmute yourself. Okay, Shanvi Raj, unmute yourself. Shanvi, unmute yourself. शानवी राज अनम्यूट करो अपने आप
Yes,
को।
ma'am.
चलो जवाब दो इसका। Which two pollutants are often dumped by factories into the rivers?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice is coming बेटा। चलो फिर से एक बार सुन लो क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पढ़ो आपकी बुक का। आपकी बुक का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पढ़ो।
Which one? Yes, ma'am.
बोलो।
Ma'am, people do domestic wastes in not rivers.
What was the question?
Oil.
What was the question? What was the question? Question number 3. Which two pollutants are often dumped by the factories into the river? You have to name two pollutants. Which are the two pollutants?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए आंसर दीजिए। Shanvi, should I wait for you? Two pollutants which are dumped by factories into the river. Who will give this answer? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, can I see? Ma'am, can I see?
Utsav, do you want to give this answer? Give.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, pesticides and and waste.
Which two waste are often dumped, pollutant are often dumped by factories? Can you take out page number 77, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आपसे पूछा गया है name two pollutants जो गंदा करेंगे। तो page number 77 खोलो। The harmful, the pollutants are now. Utsav, now it's my turn. Give me a chance. The chance had been given to you people. You didn't answer. Okay. The pollutants are the waste material and the harmful chemicals from the factories are often dumped into the river water. These are the two pollutants. The two pollutants are the waste material and harmful chemicals. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the answer. The two pollutants which are often dumped by the factories into the river are harmful waste materials and harmful chemicals. Done? Sahi hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come to next question. Come to next question.
Ma'am, can I read?
No, not you. You cannot read. Wait for others. Others should also be given chance.
Sorry.
Sakshi, 4C.
Sorry, ma'am.
Welcome. Sakshi, 4C. Sakshi.
Ma'am. Yes.
Unmute करो अपने आप को.
Yes, ma'am. I am unmuted.
Fourth question पढ़िए. Read out fourth question.
Name any two diseases that may cause drinking polluted water.
Can you name two diseases that may be caused by drinking polluted water?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो. Name two diseases. Name two diseases that are caused by drinking polluted water. Sakshi, when you can answer this question, why are you taking so much of time? सानवी इसको जवाब दो। सानवी, आपको आवाज नहीं आती है या फिर आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है? सानवी राज से मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है, आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ दिस पीरियड, ये क्लास से खत्म होने के बाद मुझे वो कॉल करेंगी, ठीक है? मैं बात करूंगी आपसे थोड़ा सा, ठीक है? सानवी राज, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो क्लास के खत्म होने के बाद मुझसे बात करोगी।
People wash their clothes and
Okay, ma'am.
bath in river water. Some people bath their cattle in river.
Actually, the question was, Actually, the question was, name any two diseases that may be caused by drinking polluted water. Question तो दूसरा है. Question कह रहा है कि दो disease का नाम लिखना है, which is being caused by drinking polluted water. हम गंदा पानी पीने से कौन से diseases होंगे? साक्षी म्यूट कर लो अपने आप को. There is some problem, you cannot answer this question. आप क्वेश्चन समझ ही नहीं पाए और आपने आंसर दिया. हर्ष झा, answer this question. हर्ष, आंसर करो. Two diseases. कौन सा दो disease होगा by drinking polluted water?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन से दो diseases होंगे by
Two
drinking?
diseases from the polluted water
Are
is
I can say
ma'am. Ma'am,
very sorry बच्चे, आप लोग को दो disease का नाम नहीं आया जो polluted हम लोगों ने
and can
last
Sanvi say
ma'am, can I
आपको ये समझ में नहीं आया. ये लेसन हमने इस लेसन के पहले जो लेसन पढ़ाया था उसमें भी सेफ हैंडलिंग ऑफ वाटर में पढ़ाया गया था कि अगर हम लोग अनक्लीन वाटर polluted water लेते हैं तो we can be diseased, and the name of the diseases were discussed in that lesson also. Anitya, will you like to give this answer? Anitya,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
answer. Bolo.
Two diseases which are caused by drinking polluted water are first, cholera and jaundice.
Okay, cholera, jaundice, diarrhea, dysentery. These are the diseases that are caused by drinking polluted water. Okay? तो ये तो लास्ट लेसन में भी पढ़ा था हम लोगों ने, जहां पे हम लोगों ने सेफ हैंडलिंग ऑफ वाटर एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ वाटर पढ़ा था. जहां हम लोगों ने सेफ हैंडलिंग पढ़ा था उसमें ये थी कि वाटर की सेफ
Yes,
हैंडलिंग
ma'am.
जरूरत है. यू नीड टू सेफली हैंडल द प्योर वाटर. तो पानी पीने के लिए हम यूज कर रहे हैं जिसको हमने प्योर किया है, that has to be kept properly. The storage should be good. तो जब स्टोरेज कब सही होगा, और अगर हम स्टोरेज सही नहीं रखेंगे तो क्या होगा? The water will get impure.
ma'am?
Impure water को लेंगे तो कौन से डिजीज होंगे? This jaundice, cholera और dysentery. Okay. Mute yourself. Anitya mute कर लो. Next. Anitya mute करेंगे. Next. Write the names of two types of material used by farmers to increase the production of crop. चलिए, इसका जवाब के लिए हाथ उठाओ. You have to write two types of material that are used by farmers to increase the production of crop. Crop के production को increase करने के लिए farmers दो चीजें use करते हैं. वो कौन से दो चीजें हैं? Two materials. आदित्य राज, unmute करो. 4C. सिर नहीं बैठ रहे हो? आदित्य राज, चलो, बोलो. Give this answer. फार्मर्स अपने क्रॉप के प्रोडक्शन को इंक्रीज करने के लिए क्या दो चीजों का यूज करते हैं? बोलिए. शानवी बोलो. Sanvi, name two types of materials that are being used by farmers to increase the production of crop.
Ma'am, I know this answer. Ma'am, I don't know this answer.
You don't know this answer. Sanvi, ये बहुत गलत बात है. आप कुछ भी आते के लिए सुनाते हैं मुझे. Who will answer this question to me? कौन जवाब देगा? 7 students have raised their hand. Let's see who are they. Aditya Singh, Roshni 4C, give this answer. Roshni 4C, give this answer. Unmute yourself, Roshni. Roshni, unmute yourself. Aditya Singh, unmute karo.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, two chemicals that used by farmers to increase the production of their crops are pesticides and fertilizers.
Pesticides. It's not pesticides. It is pesticides. Okay, मेरे साथ
Okay,
बोलिए,
ma'am.
मेरे साथ बोलिए, pesticides.
Pesticides.
Very good. So farmers use pesticides ताकि कीड़े ना लगे, and they use fertilizers to increase the production of the crop. Absolutely the right answer. Okay, so these are the 5 questions of that section D जो हम लोगों ने अभी discuss किया है. You'll get the question answers written in your WhatsApp group. Now the E section. These are the long questions. तो इसका जवाब भी मैं डिस्कसिंग करूंगी आपसे. इसका जवाब कौन देगा? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डू द वेस्ट फ्रॉम फैक्ट्रीज एंड फील्ड अफेक्ट द एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स? क्या होगा? द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डू वेस्ट फ्रॉम फैक्ट्रीज एंड फील्ड अफेक्ट द एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स? क्या होगा उन एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स का? और क्या करते हैं? हाउ डू दे इफेक्ट? किसके? द वेस्ट ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज एंड फील्ड कैसे एक्वेटिक एनिमल को इफेक्ट करता है? Again, I got 4 of the raised hands. Let's see who are they. 4 raised hands. 4 raised hands. Only those 2 students. भाई 4 बच्चे हमें हैं, दिखेश, उत्सव और ये. Anybody else? Those who want to give this answer? और कोई आंसर देना चाहेगा इसका? उत्सव राठौर ने हाथ उठाया है, आनिद्या ने, समीक्षा ने. समीक्षा, will you give a try to? Do you want to give a try to it? इसका ट्राई करो, इसका आंसर को देने का. समीक्षा, समीक्षा, can you hear me? Then उत्सव, give a try. चलो आंसर दो. Be louder बच्चा, थोड़ा loud बोलो. How do the waste from factories and field? बोलो. How do waste from factories and field affect the aquatic animal? बोलो.
Ma'am, it contains disease.
इतना छोटा आंसर होगा. इट्स ई सेक्शन ना, ई सेक्शन थोड़ा बड़ा होता है, तो इसके आंसर को हम इतना शॉर्ट नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है ना?
No, ma'am.
देखो,
Sorry, ma'am.
यहाँ पे देखो. The waste from factories and powerhouses should not be allowed to flow into river directly because क्यों? Because these waste will the poisonous chemicals from factories will kill the marine animals. आप पेज नंबर 77 खोलिए. क्वेश्चन है फैक्ट्री से निकला हुआ वेस्ट कैसे एक्वेटिक एनिमल को इफेक्ट करेगा? तो फैक्ट्री से निकला हुआ वेस्ट में क्या करेगा? हार्मफुल वेस्ट रहेंगे एंड हार्मफुल केमिकल्स एंड पॉइजनस केमिकल्स रहेंगे. तो हाउ विल दे इफेक्ट? The poisonous chemicals and harmful waste from the factories and others will kill the marine animals. मार देंगे ना अगर उसको वो खाएंगे तो they will be killed. उत्सव म्यूट करो अपने आप को. आपके साथ कोई बच्चा है? He's talking.
Ma'am, he's my younger brother.
Okay, so either you mute yourself. In that case, you mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay. Next question. How can the polluted water affect the crop? इसका जवाब दो. How can the polluted water affect the crop? हम अगर polluted water से irrigation करते हैं तो उस वैसा कैसा crop होगा? How would it affect? Again, I got Aradhya Kumari. Yes, raise your hand. चलो बोलो. Aradhya Kumari 4A. Give this answer. How can polluted water affect the crop?
Polluted water affect the crop.
Again, you are not prepared for the answers. This is not done, bachche. This is not done. See?
Sorry, ma'am.
Page number 78. See, page number 78. आप देखो यहाँ पे छठा 6th point. When the polluted water is used for irrigation, अगर हम polluted water से crop की irrigation करते हैं, the fertility of soil get reduced and the crop. अरे जब आपसे पूछा गया तब आपने जवाब नहीं दिया. Now you are saying. So the polluted water, when the polluted water is used for irrigation, the fertility of soil gets reduced and the crop can get damaged. What the answer? Sakshi, answer mil gaya? Number 2 का answer? This is the answer of number 2. how does crop get damaged or get affected? So they can get affected when the polluted water is used for irrigation. The fertility of soil gets reduced and the crop can get damaged. Okay, next question. Next question देखिए. Why are oil spills harmful for marine life? मैंने आपको बताया है जो oil spills हैं वो harmful क्यों है marine life के लिए? Marine life यानी जो aquatic life है उसके लिए oil spills harmful क्यों है? Navya Rajput, you want to give this answer? Unmute करो. Navya, unmute yourself. बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए इसका आंसर दीजिए. Why are oil spills harmful for marine life?
मैम मैंने 2 नंबर की क्वेश्चन के आंसर के लिए हैंड रेज किया था.
This is not done. ये गलत बात है. मैंने आपको उसी वक्त कहा सबको कि जैसे आपका क्वेश्चन आप खत्म कर लिए तो जरूर अपने हाथ को नीचे कर ले. ओके, चलिए म्यूट करें अपने आप को. हैंड्स लोअर कर ले. Who wants to give this answer? Ayush Kumar Fori, would you like to give an answer to this? How are oil spills harmful for the marine life? You don't know. Okay. Page number 77. Check out page number 77. Question है oil spills कैसे marine life को affect करेगा, aquatic life को affect करेगा. तो oil spills form a cover on the surface of water. आप देखिए last number 3rd point. Oil spills क्या करेगा? It will form a cover on the surface of water. जो oil spill करता है आपको बताया गया है oil जब spill करता है it forms a cover on the surface of water. surface के ऊपर एक cover बनाता है और ये क्या करेगा? It will cut the supply of oxygen. यानी जैसे ही oil spill के ऊपर water के ऊपर oil गिर जाएगा ऊपर से ऑक्सीजन पानी तक नहीं पहुंचेगा and the oil since they will cut the supply of oxygen to the marine animals living underwater, they will get killed or they will fall sick or they will die. ठीक है? समझ में आया आयुष? आयुष को आंसर समझ में आया? सॉरी आयुष?
Yes, ma'am.
Oil spill
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
करेगा? Oil spill क्या करेगा? It will form a cover on the surface of the water, which will cut the supply of oxygen to the animals living under the water. है ना? क्या करेगा? एक कवर बना लेगा पानी के ऊपर, जिससे क्या होगा? ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई नीचे के एनिमल्स को नहीं मिलेगी जो कि जमीन के नीचे रह रहे हैं, मिट्टी के पानी के नीचे रह रहे हैं, and they will either be killed or they will be diseased. Okay, म्यूट करेंगे अपने आप को आयुष. Next is state any 4 effects of water pollution. For this, you can come to page number 78 again. Effects of water pollution. आपको यहाँ पे दिए हैं. You have been given 6. आपको 4 इफेक्ट लिखने हैं. 4 effects of water pollution. पहला क्या होगा? Poisonous chemicals from factories will kill animals. Oil spill form a cover on the surface of water. This cuts the supply of oxygen. अगर उसी polluted water से aquatic plants and animals जो होंगे वो affected हो जाएंगे. अगर उस animals को हम खाते हैं या plants लेते हैं या animals खाते हैं तो they will become sick. And अगर हम polluted water से irrigation करेंगे तो fertility of the soil भी lose कर सकते हैं. या फिर अगर हम polluted water को पीने के काम में लाएंगे, if some people use the water for drinking, polluted, they can cause disease like typhoid, diarrhea, cholera or jaundice. इस 6 point में से you can write any 4 point. Done? Navya? 4 effects of water pollution आपको दिख रहे हैं? आपको 6 point है. Any 4 effects आपको लिखने हैं. ठीक है? Next. We are running short of time. हमारे पास 4 मिनट का समय है, तो हम लोग लास्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस पहले कर लेते हैं. लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज 4 ways of reducing water pollution. आप वाटर पॉल्यूशन को रिड्यूस कैसे करेंगे? भाई हम पानियों में नदियों में नहीं नहाएंगे, by not taking bath or bathing our cattle. पहला ये हो सकता है ना? हमारे घर के जो ड्रेन का पाइप है should not be allowed to enter into well. वाटर पोल्यूशन नहीं होगा. घर का जो कचरे वाला पानी है उसको वेल में या रिवर में नहीं जाने देंगे. हम फैक्ट्रीज के वेस्ट को या पावर हाउसेस के वेस्ट को डायरेक्टली रिवर में नहीं फ्लो करवाएंगे, उसकी प्रोसेसिंग करवाएंगे। तो एनी 4 अगेन यहाँ पे आप देखिए 5 दिया है, यू कैन राइट एनी 4। हम फर्टिलाइजर्स के यूजेस कम करेंगे, इंस्टेड विल यूज द मैन्यूर, नेचुरल मैन्यूर। ओके, सो 4 क्या कहें, preventions. How can we prevent? How can we reduce water pollution? So you have to write 4 ways of prevention or reducing water pollution. आप कह सकते हैं हम नदियों में नहीं नहाएंगे, will not take a bath, but wash our clothes or wash our cattle, give a bath to the cattle in the river. हम जो भी factories की कचरा होगा, the waste or the chemicals from the factories should not be allowed to flow into river directly. हम directly उसको flow नहीं करने देंगे, rather उसकी processing करेंगे. Third, we will see that water which we are drinking, which is the pipe which are used for drinking water. जो water pipe है, वो drinking water के water pipe है, should be kept away from the sewage water. और the sewage waters के जो pipes है should not be allowed to go directly into the well. So these are the 4-5 points. आपको 4 points लिखने हैं of reducing water pollution. How would you able to reduce water pollution? So this was all about the question answers of this lesson. Boys and girls, आपको अब करना है इसके answers को अपनी copy में complete. You will get this question answers in your WhatsApp right now. अभी मिलेगा या हो सकता है 10 to 20 minutes के बाद, हमारे क्लास खत्म होने के बाद मिलेंगे. आपका काम होगा to complete it as early as possible because this was the last lesson. By this lesson, we finish our course. हमारा course complete हो जाता है और now it's your time. Start learning the question answers, revising the question answers. आप revise करना शुरू करें so that in the annual examination you are all prepared for the examination. Okay. So students, all the best for coming examination and today's CC as well.